If you've ever flown a compact drone, you know that setting up can sometimes feel more complicated than it needs to be. Mounting your phone, dealing with cables, and hoping nothing overheats mid-flight. Today, that experience is changing. Meet the Ruko U11MINI 4K, a lightweight, travel-ready drone that introduces a smarter way to fly with its brand new RC3 touchscreen controller. The Ruko U11MINI 4K has already earned attention in the sub-249-gram category, but this latest version focuses on refinement rather than reinvention. The goal here is simple: make flying easier, more reliable, and more professional, without increasing complexity or size. The most significant upgrade is the RC3 remote controller, a fully standalone unit that removes the need for a smartphone altogether. At the center of it is a 5.5-inch built-in touchscreen that automatically connects to the drone as soon as both are powered on. There's no phone mounting, no cables, and no app juggling. Because the RC3 has its own processor and battery, it avoids common smartphone-related issues like screen lag, overheating, or sudden disconnections. The result is a smoother, more dependable flying experience that feels closer to what you'd expect from higher-end drones. Despite its compact size, the U11MINI 4K delivers serious imaging performance. It features a half-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second and capturing 48-megapixel photos. To keep footage steady, Ruko combines a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with electronic image stabilization, effectively reducing shake during movement or windy conditions. Flight time is another area where this drone stands out. With 2 included batteries, you get up to 64 minutes of total flight time, giving you more opportunities to capture the perfect shot. The drone also supports live video transmission up to 20,000 feet, providing a clear, responsive feed during extended flights. Weighing under 249 grams, the U11MINI 4K remains FAA exempt and extremely easy to travel with. GPS positioning and optical flow sensors enhance stability, precision hovering, and overall flight confidence, especially useful for beginners and travelers exploring new locations. In summary, the Ruko U11MINI 4K with the RC3 controller offers a well-balanced blend of portability, image quality, and user-friendly design. And with a limited-time 24% discount on Amazon, bringing the price down to $499, it's a compelling option for anyone looking to step into reliable, high-quality aerial photography without unnecessary complexity.